Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about objective type questions in 3D planes, level 1 type questions. Question number 8. The image of the point minus 1, 3, 4 in the plane x minus 2y equal to 0. Here the four options are given. Let P equal to minus 1, 3, 4. This is x1, y1, z1. Equation of plane is given. Equation of plane is x minus 2y equal to 0. Here the x coefficient a is equal to 1, y coefficient b is equal to minus 2, here z coefficient c equal to 0. Let q is equal to h comma k comma l be the image of P with respect to given equation of plane. Then apply the formula h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to l minus z1 by c is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by a square plus b square plus c square. This is the formula. Apply the values. H minus x1 is minus 1. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. Minus of minus 1. H plus 1 by, here a is equal to 1. K minus y1. Y1 equal to 3. K minus 3 by b equal to minus 2. L minus z1. Z1 equal to 4. Here c value 0. Minus 2 into ax1. Here a value 1. A equal to 1. 1 into minus 1. Minus 1. Here minus 2 b equal to minus 2 into 3. Minus 6 by a square 1 minus 2 whole square 4 0 square 0. Minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 minus 7 into minus 2 14. 14 by 5. This is the value. H plus 1 by 1 equal to 14 by 5. H equal to 14 by 5 plus 1 becomes minus 1. 14 minus 5 by 5. Here 5 is the LCM. 14 minus 5, 9. 9 by 5. 9 by 5. Here to up in the options. Here 9 by 5 is the second option. This second option is correct. Next to find K and L values. K minus 3 by minus 2 equal to 14 by 5. K minus 3 equal to minus 2 into 14 minus 28 by 5. K equal to minus 28 by 5. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. Here 5 is the LCM. Minus 28, 5 3 is 15 by 5. Minus 28 plus 15. Minus 13 by 5. Minus 13 by 5. This is the K value. Minus 13 by 5. Next to find the L. L minus 4. L minus 4 by 0 is equal to 14 by 5. Here 0 cross multiply to 14 by 5. 0 into any number 0. L minus 4 equal to 0. L equal to 4. Therefore, the image of the point Q is equal to h comma k comma L. Q is equal to, here the h value is 9 by 5. K value equal to minus 28 by 5. L value equal to 4. The correct option is here, minus 30 by 5. K equal to minus 13 by 5. This is the K value. Minus 13 by 5, 4. The correct option is second one. Next, ratio formula model. Question number 9. If the points 1, minus 1, 1 and minus 2, 0, 5 with respect to the plane 2x plus 3y minus z plus 7 equal to 0 lie on. Here the four options are given. Let P equal to 1, minus 1, 1. These coordinates x1, y1, z1. Q equal to minus 2, 0, 5. These coordinates x2, y2, Z2. Here the equation of plane, it is represented by pi. Pi is identical equal to 2x plus 3y minus z plus 7 equal to 0. Here to find pi triple 1 equal to 2x1 3y1 minus z1 plus 7. Here the apply. Here x1 is 1, 2 into 1, 2, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Here z1 equal to minus 1 plus 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. 9 minus 4, 5 is greater than 0. Here pi triple 1 is greater than 0. Next to find pi triple 2. Pi triple 2 equal to 2x2 plus 3y2 minus z2 plus 7. Here apply the values. X2 is minus 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, y2 equal to 0, 3 into 0 is 0, z2 5, minus 5, plus 7. Here, minus 5, minus 4, minus 9, minus 9 plus 7, minus 2. This is the less than 0. Pi triple 2 is less than 0. Here, pi triple 1 is greater than 0, pi triple 2 is less than 0, then A and B are the opposite side to the plane. A and B are opposite side to the given plane. Here the first option is correct answer, opposite side. Question number 10. The ratio in which the plane r bar dot I bar minus 2j bar plus 3k bar equal to 17. Divide the line joining the points minus 2i bar plus 4j bar plus 7k bar and 3i bar minus 5j bar plus 8k bar is. Here the four options are given. In this problem, this is a plane equation in vector form. Here plane equation is r bar dot I bar minus 2j bar plus 3k bar equal to 17. Let it is converted into Cartesian form. R bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Here r bar dot I bar minus 2j bar plus 3k bar. The result is in dot product multiply with I bar and j bar and k bar k bar. X minus 2y plus 3z plus 17 becomes minus 17. This is the equation of plane. It is notated by pi. Pi is identical equal to x minus 2y plus 3z minus 17 equal to. Here the plane equation pi is identical equal to x minus 2y plus 3z minus 17 equal to 0. Here the position vector is given. Let it be OA bar equal to minus 2i plus 4j plus 7k in point form. Capital A equal to minus 2 comma 4 comma 7. This is x1, y1, z1. And OB bar is given. Let OB bar equal to 3i bar minus 5j bar plus 8k bar in point form. B equal to 3 comma minus 5 comma 8. This is x2, y2, z2. Here to find the ratio formula minus pi triple 1 is to pi triple 2. To find pi triple 1 equal to in plane equation x1 minus 2y1 plus 3z1 minus 17. To apply the first point, here x1 is equal to minus 2, y1 is equal to 4, minus 2 into 4, minus 8. Here z1 is equal to 7, 7 3 is 21, minus 17, minus 2, minus 8, minus 10, minus 17, minus 27, minus 27 plus 21, here minus 6. The result equal to minus 6. Next to find pi triple 2. the plane equation x2 minus 2y2 plus 3z2 minus 17. Here the apply second point, b equal to 3 comma minus 5 comma 8, 3. Here y2 equal to minus 5 minus 2, minus 2 into minus 5 10 plus 10, 3z2 3 8 24 minus 17, 3 plus 10 13, 13 plus 24 37 minus 17, 770 20, the value equal to 20. Here the formula ratio equal to minus pi 1 1 triple 1 is to pi triple 2. Here minus 6 minus minus plus 6 is to 20, 2 3s to 10. Here the ratio is 3 is to 10. 3 is to 10 is the ratio. Fourth one option is correct. Question number 11. For the plane pi is identically equal to 2x plus 3y plus 5z plus 10 equal to 0, the point 2 comma 3 comma minus 5 lie in the plane. Here the 4 option is given. In this option, to compare with the origin is given. Here pi, plane equation pi is identically equal to 2x plus 3y plus 5z plus 10 equal to 0. This is the plane equation. Let a equal to 2 comma 3 comma minus 5. This is x1 y1 z1. Here compare with origin. Let origin o equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0, x2 y2 z2. To find pi triple 1, 2x1 plus 3y1 plus 5z1 plus 10. Here to apply x1 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, 5 into minus 5 25 minus 25 plus 10, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 10 23, 23 minus 25. Here minus 25 plus 23, the value equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is less than 0. Pi triple 1 is less than 0. Next to find pi triple 2. To apply the origin point, 2x2 plus 3y2 plus 5z2 plus 10. Here the origin 0 comma 0 comma 0. This entire term equal to 0. This is equal to 10. Is greater than 0. Pi triple 2 is greater than 0. Here pi triple 1 less than 0. Pi triple 2 greater than 0. The capital A point lies opposite to the origin. This is the option correct. Opposite to the origin side. Opposite to the origin side. Question number 12. The normal form of 2x minus 2y plus z equal to 5. Here the 4 options are given. This is the equation of plane 2x minus 2y plus z equal to 5. Here x coefficient is 2, y coefficient is minus 2, z coefficient is 1. In the normal form, divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square, this term. Here 2 square 4 minus 2 whole square 4, 1 square 1, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, root 9 equal to 3. Divided by on both sides 3, 2 by 3 x minus 2 by 3 y plus 1 by 3 z equal to 5 by 3. This is the equation of plane in normal form. This is the fourth option is correct. Question number 13. A plane passes through 2 comma 3 comma minus 1 and is perpendicular to the line having drs 3 comma minus 4 comma 7. The perpendicular distance from the origin to this plane. Here the 4 options are given. Here the plane passing to the point is given. Let p equal to 2 comma 3 comma minus 1. This is x1, y1, z1. Perpendicular drs, normal drs are given. normal DRs is given 3 comma minus 4 comma 7. First to find the plane equation a into x minus x1. Here a equal to 3, x minus x1, x1 equal to 2 plus b equal to minus 4, y minus y1, y1 equal to 3 plus c, this is a b c plus c equal to 7, z minus z1, z1 minus 1 plus 1, z plus 1 equal to 0. Here multiply with 3x, 3 into 2 6 minus 6 minus 4 into y minus 4y minus into minus plus 4 into 3 12 plus 7z, 7 into 1 7 equal to 0. 3x minus 4y plus 7z, 3x minus 4y plus 7z, 12 plus 7 19, 19 minus 6 13 equal to 0. Here to find the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. Perpendicular distance from origin to the plane is mod d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Here mod d equal to 13, modulus of 13 by a square, a 3 square 9 minus 4 whole square 16, 7 square 49. Here 9 plus 16 25, 25 plus 49, 9 5 14, 4 to 6 74, 13 by root 74 is the answer. The fourth option is correct, 13 by root 74. Question number 14. An equation of plane parallel to the plane x minus 2y plus 2z minus 5 equal to 0 and at a unit distance from the origin is. Here the four options are given. Here equation of plane is given. Equation of plane x minus 2y plus 2z minus 5 equal to 0. Here to find the equation of plane parallel to the given plane, required equation of plane parallel to the required equation of plane parallel to the given plane is x minus 2y plus 2z plus k equal to 0. Here the unit distance from the origin, perpendicular distance from origin to equation 1 equal to 1 unit distance. Mod d by root of a square plus b square plus c square is d equal to k. Modulus of k by a square 1 minus 2 whole square 4, 2 square 4 equal to 1. Mod k by 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, root 9 value equal to 3. Mod k by 3 equal to 1, mod k equal to 3, k equal to plus or minus 3. Then the equation of plane is x minus 2y plus 2z in k plus or minus 3 equal to 0. In options to observe that x minus 2y plus 2z minus 3 equal to 0. The answer in option is x minus 2y plus 2z minus 3 equal to 0. This is the correct answer. Question number 15. The equation of a plane which cuts equal intercept of unit length on the axis. Here the plane cuts the x-axis and y-axis and z-axis equal length. The length equal to 1 unit. Here x-intercept a equal to 1 unit, y-intercept B equal to 1 unit, Z intercept C equal to 1 unit. Equation of plane in intercept form. Equation of plane in intercept form. X by A plus Y by B plus Z by C equal to 1. Here A1, B1, C1. Then the result equal to X plus Y plus Z equal to 1. The second option is correct. Question number 16. If the plane 7x plus 11y plus 13z equal to 3003 meet the coordinate axis in A, B, C, then the centroid of triangle ABC. Here the four options are given. 7x plus 11y plus 13z equal to 3003. First, this plane equation can be converted into intercept form. 7x by divided by 3003, 11y by 3003 plus 13z by 3003 is equal to 1. Here divided by the 3003 by 7, the value equal to 421, 7 421, 429, x by 429 plus here divided by with 11, the value 273, 11 273 is y by 273. Here 3003 divided by 13, the value equal to 231. 13 divides 231. Z by 231 equal to 1. X by 429 plus y by 273 plus z by 231 equal to 1. This is the plane intercept the coordinate axis. Capital A x intercept equal to 429. Capital A equal to 429 comma 0 comma 0. Capital B equal to 0 comma 273 comma 0. Capital C equal to 0 comma 0 comma 231. Here to find the centroid of the triangle ABC. Centroid of the triangle ABC, G equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. 429 by 3, comma, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. 273 by 3, comma, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. 231 by 3. Here, divide with 3. 3 ones, 3. 3, 4, 12, 3, 3, 9, 143. Here 143 is 3 options, first, second and third. Next 3 nines, 3 ones 91. Here 91 is only first option, 91. This is correct answer. Next 231 by 3, 3 sevens 21, 3 sevens 21. 143 comma 91 comma 77. The first option is correct. Okay, next video also discuss about level 1 pattern type questions in 3D planes. Last model, angle between the planes. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.